Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a slow Windows 11 computer, and this is a scenario that normally happens especially after a longer usage of Windows 11, that is maybe roughly 6 months or even a year depending on how frequently you use your laptop. And if it happened to be slow, remember that is something that is very common to all Windows 11 computers. And how do you solve that? It's very simple. You just have to go to your laptop and then press on the Windows search bar right here. Then just open the CMD, type CMD right over here, type CMD, and then ensure that you run it as administrator. This is a very crucial step. So run as administrator. I'm going to tap on it there, run as administrator, then click on yes. CMD is going to open. Now here have a keen look at what to type here. So you type there check disk, that is CHKDSK, check disk. That is a check disk command. Then leave space /F. Now what does this mean? This means that it's going to check for the disk errors and even the installation for the Windows OS, check for any lost partitions and lost numbers, because remember, for Windows to operate there are usually numbers to be followed. The simplest explanation is that for you to get to number 5 you have to follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what makes your computer slow is sometimes it's trying to locate number 2 before it gets to 3, and that number 2 might have been displayed somewhere else, so it has to look for it, which takes a lot of time for it to get to 2, then 3, 4, then 5. So this operation repairs that and ensures those digits are right in place, and even the operating system, the commands and everything else are right on the best place. So after typing this, you just come and press on enter, then you leave the command to run. And now after that you're going to get this message, check this cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system is started? Now this is the most important step for this particular command. Now definitely you want it to be done during the next startup, so what you have to do is click on yes, you'll type Y, after that click on enter, and then this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. So what do? Just type exit, then once you type exit, click on enter. Now let's restart the system so that you can get to see what happens when you restart it. For you to restart the system, just click on Windows X, and then U once, and then you type on R for it to restart, letter R. Now let's restart the system and see what happens when the system restarts. Give it time. And now you see you have to skip the disk checking process. Press any digit within the first 5 seconds. So I'm not going to press on anything. We're going to let it do the fixing, especially the Windows called disk C stage 1. It's trying to fix, and there are a lot of things happening. It's fixing any errors that might be there within the operating system, because remember, everything else within the Windows is hosted in the operating system. So you have to fix the operating system first to ensure that all those applications and the processes run smoothly. After that, it's going to check and fix for any errors, and you see now scanning and repairing. Give it time. Almost there, and now I think it's done, and you can see the laptop booting up. Let's give it time to get to desktop, and there you go. All your problems have been solved. Believe me, if you do this process just accurately as I've done, your laptop is going to be fast, just as it was when it was new. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this particular fix. Did it work for you, or did it not work for you? And if it didn't work for you, do you have any other solutions? Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow for more, because I'm going to show you in the next episodes some other solutions that will apply to ensure that your laptop runs smoothly, efficiently, and fast enough to handle all your daily processes. See you next time on another one.